Now what I want to do is start with the center line, squeeze, and come all the way down, and then go back over it. Okay, like so. Then what I want to do is go ahead and start doing the lines. Oops, didn't want that there. Just wipe that off. Okay, try to keep the paper in the same spot. If you need to tape it down with some masking tape, then go for it. Alright, so we'll start here. We'll actually go ahead and do the outside. So this is where the 7-inch line was. Remember, because it's an 8-inch cake, you don't want it to be an 8-inch grill. It needs to go inside a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to go back, and where I kind of went past the line there, or not quite to the line, I'll just go back over it. Because it's okay if this part's a little bit thicker, the outer line, and the one inside could be a little bit thicker. Now right here, I'm just going to go ahead and trim this a little bit. Alright, now start doing the inside lines. Just want to squeeze, go all the way down. Notice how when I get to the end there, I actually keep the chocolate all together kind of in that outside that 7-inch line, 7-inch circle. That's just so my chocolate doesn't drip all over the place. Okay, so I can even do it down here is fine. Sometimes it's easier to do one side and then go and do the other side. Okay, we finished that up. Now what I want to do, ooh, this one's a little crooked, so first of all I want to fix that before it sets. There we go. Now I want to go over to these two handles and just squeeze. Go to the end and then go ahead and go back so we make it a little bit thicker. Okay, perfect. So we'll let that sit. You can't put it in the refrigerator or the freezer. You just have to be careful. If it chills too fast or too long, what can happen is it can actually curl up a little bit on you. And that can happen if you let it sit out also, but just something for you to watch for. So I'll go ahead and get my other chocolate out of the refrigerator. So this has already started to set just a little bit, not much. But it's set, you can see that it's set right here around the edges, which is perfect. The chocolate that's in the middle is still soft. So what you want to do is go ahead and roll it around again. What this does is it's going to make that thicker. And that's what you need to make that thicker, so it doesn't break when you put your fondant on it. And like I said, it's going to be leaning up against the cake, so it's got to be strong enough to stand up by itself, especially if it's hot outside. So just add a few more times back into the refrigerator, and we're going to repeat that process.